Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today we will see how to fix screen color on Android. We start by opening the phone settings and then we enter the accessibility option. Now we are going to click on Vision Enhancements. Here we will be able to review the different options to modify the color of the screen. The main option is the color filter. If we click on it, we will see that we can activate and configure a custom color filter for the screen. You can also calibrate or change the color of the screen with options such as color inversion or color correction. Also check in the Shortcuts panel if you have activated any vision protection option that modifies the original color of the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.